Traditional, wet, shaving, smooth and grand.
Howdy, welcome back to the Texan Shades, and sorry for the echo, it's kind of crazy in this bathroom. I am in Derby, Connecticut right now, getting ready to go to the A&E meetup. But I got something special I wanted to show you guys, and man, this one is incredible, from Adopted Acres Soap Company. And it's a collaboration with Dr. Chris Beaudrab, and I like to say doctor even though he doesn't because he earned that. But it is Gentlemen of the Cabin. Take a look at that freaking label, man. That is incredible. And let me tell you, I have a nose imprint probably in this soap. I've been smelling it so much. It's, you know what? Hey, Doug. Hey, what's the scent notes on this, Doug?
Oh, we have bourbon, leather, tobacco, vanilla, sandalwood, a bunch of other stuff, but that's the main stuff.
A bunch of other stuff. So there you go. This is Doug Lane of Adopted Acres Soap Company. Hand delivered it to me because I'm special. No, I'm not. We just decided to room together here to make things a little cheaper at the Airbnb. So thank you, sir. I'm going to get my shave on, and I'm going to tell everybody how wonderful this soap is.
All right. Enjoy.
All right. Thank you. So for the hardware, I've got my Grizzly Bay. Doug Lane, everybody. That was my Grizzly Bay copper top. I call this Duracell. And I did bring the Yamakuni. You know, I really love this razor. I use it a lot. It's got a first use Ship P30 in it. And of course, we absolutely have to have the splash to go with that. So I'm going to get things going here. Get some hot water on this brush. And only going to do one or two passes. I had such a great shave yesterday. I don't really have a whole lot going on, but I wanted to really talk to you guys about how wonderful this fragrance is on this new Adopted Acres Chris Beaudrab Gentlemen of the Cabin. Get this loaded up. And of course the base needs no introduction. Amazing stuff. Alright, let me get my face wet and the glasses off. I need to find a little mini bougie sprayer that I can travel with, right? I wonder if they make those. Get some more water in there. I mean, right off the bat, you get that vanilla, and that sandalwood is beautiful in this. Really good sandalwood. Do have a slight boozy note, and it's not overdone. It's really nice. It's just very, very distinguished. Loving it. Ooh. Little bit more water. Doug and I were going to try to do a shave, but there's just really no place in this Airbnb we're staying at to do that. I'll have to plan better next time. All right. Barely enough room to shave. I almost just dropped my razor right there. I'm already making a mess. All right. So really, really looking forward to the meetup. Checking out the A&E showroom. I've never been before, and but of course, 100% all the people. Just got back from breakfast with Carlos and Jason. Jason of TRC. That was a fun time. Guys, I want to say it now. I think this is probably the best fragrance Adopted Acres has had. I am going nuts for this stuff. I literally could not stop smelling the tub. I sprayed some of that splash on last night before bed. It is incredible. This one, you know what? I'll call it now. This one is Texan Shaves approved. Now, I don't know if I have my logo on my computer I brought with me, but I'll get it up there somehow. Hey Doug, how many you got made? Because you're going to sell out, buddy.
We brought, I think, 15 sets to Amy, and I've got another 40 or 50 sets at home.
Well, as soon as you get home, better start cooking.
So, yeah.
This one is crazy good. Yeah, just one more pass.
How's that ladder?
Oh, beautiful. We don't have to talk about the ladder. We know. I would only be talking about if there was something wrong with it. I'll tell you what I'm loving is how this is filling up the bathroom, lathering it up.
Good.
It is incredible. Beautiful stuff.
Thanks. Thanks. It's a beautiful razor.
You want to borrow it?
Yeah, maybe.
All right. I think I'm good. I'll get a little bit on the sideburn. I don't even need any more lather. Super
Yeah, it
slick.
should have residual.
Super slick. So when is this released?
This will come out to everyone. It'll be released a little today at the A&E meetup, and then it comes out Sunday at noon, Eastern time.
Sunday at noon. Be there. Let me get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. All right. Man, that is so good. There we go. Gentleman of the cabin. Put a little on my hand there. Sprayed my eye.
Might have to rethink when we do start doing menthol.
Oh, that vanilla just sings. Ooh, okay. Is there some sort of citrus in this?
Yeah, there should be.
Yeah.
There's so much more notes in there. I have to take a look.
Oh, geez, that is beautiful. I can't even begin. There's so much going on.
I'm getting
This is a very distinguished, complex fragrance.
Yeah,
it is
smells
so
so
good. Definitely very manly and masculine. Oh, that is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fragrance. I cannot get enough of that. All right, guys, you heard it. Gentleman of the Cabin is going to be available today for those at the meetup, and it will be available Sunday at noon. I expect he's going to sell out. Get there quick, guys. That's all I got. Thanks for being here, Doug.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Find your peace in what and where you can, and we'll see you next time on A Texan Shade.
Find your peace in what and where you can.